Hi everyone, thank you for joining in. I would like to present you my small media center / TV box PC build video. So without further ado, let's start from overview of the components. I've decided to go with AMD AM4 B450 chipset, mini ITX motherboard from Asrock. This motherboard has very good audio circuit and optical toslink out, also could offer great power and reliability as base for home entertainment media center. I wanted to build a small and expensive but very reliable TV box or home entertainment media server, which consumes not much of power and works with 12-volt adapter, whereas I can store some media library files and play optical discs of different kinds. This motherboard has M2 NVMe SSD drive slot mounted on the back and Wi-Fi module built in. The processor for today's build would be an AMD Ryzen 5 4600G. This processor rated at 35-65 watts, which is user configurable and has graphics built in. Ryzen 5 4600G also comes with cooler, which looks good and could be quite useful in some other cases, but unfortunately I'm not going to use it due to mechanical incompatibility with my small form factor build of today. Instead of bundle stock processor cooler, I'm going to use SilverStone Hydrogen H90 ARGB, which is very compact but supposed to be efficient enough to move out that not very extensive amount of heat Ryzen 5 4600G could produce in this configuration. It has 4 heat pipes and flat brushed platform. All seems to be very well made. For this build I would also need a bunch of different kind of wires, like these LED motherboard lights, also optical disk drive connection wires. These wires were not included with the case, so I had to purchase them separately. Last but not least, little motherboard buzzer. This motherboard I'm using today has PCIe slot for graphic card, which will be not occupied because we've got graphic enabled processor, so this slot can be used as an option for extra data drive. System memory in today's build in total would be 32 GB. Two 3200 MHz rated sticks, 16 GB each in double channel configuration. As usual for today's build, I will use thermal Grizzly Kryonaut Extreme, very reliable and great quality thermal compound. Power system unit. I would use 160 watt rated 12 volt mini ITX power system unit from Intertech. So let's start the assembly. The case I've chose for today's build is Mini ITX PC case A80 from Intertech. Small form factor PC case made out of steel with sturdy and solid build. It is relatively small, but good enough to house all components in good order. It comes with the box of accessories, where we've got small 60 watt rated power system unit, power cables and some other goodies. Now let's go back to the case cooling fans. This case itself is quite small and it is not possible to use original stock processor cooler. So I'm going to use side-mounted small 40mm case fans from Noctua. As you can see right here, I've glued together two Noctua's 40mm Miracle fans and mounted it on the one side for intake and two others glued together on the other side of the case for the outtake. Everything seems to be fine. Let's close down the assembly. And here is the moment of truth. Of course, all of these components will run well in any other home theater PC small form factor build with completely different configuration of a cooling system. This particular system, due to its size, cannot contain any larger cooling solution. Therefore, however awkward it looks, it is only choice I've got in here. And it actually works quite well. As you can see here, in simple yet capable stress test from Blackmagic, this system gave me around 70 Celsius on processor and a bit over 30 Celsius on the motherboard as highest, which makes it obviously very well suitable for general use, day-to-day computing, or, as in this particular case, for home media server / home theater PC. And that would be all for now. Thank you for joining in. Thumbs up if you liked it. Please subscribe and see you all next time.